explore the intricate relationship between life and the nation-state, questioning its role as a natural container of human life. The nation-state, while not inherently evil, poses dangers by merging territory, peoplehood, law, and coercion into a single entity. Dissect the components of the nation-state: the state, nation, territory, and sovereignty, each playing a role in the enclosure. Contrast the pathological enclosure with life-coherent reversal, emphasizing accountability and community care. Understand the historical processes that built the sovereign cage, from war-making to colonial imposition. Simplification in governance can harm life when it replaces the living reality it was meant to serve. Borders create ethical blindness, turning human needs into security threats. The sovereign state wields violence as a public duty, transforming citizens into sacrificial entities. The state compresses diverse identities into a single national form, creating internal others. The nation-state abstracts ecological realities into administrative zones, causing confusion and harm. Development often sacrifices life capacity for economic gain, creating zones of harm. For post-colonial societies, sovereignty is both a shield and a challenge, requiring transformation for true independence. True political reform requires making power serve the civil commons, not idolizing statelessness. Explore 7 strategies to cure the sovereign enclosure, focusing on community, ecology, and shared responsibility. Imagine a political form that truly serves life, restoring and enlarging the capacities of living beings and ecosystems.